is Mike Callahan, Dr. File Finder, and welcome back to our special Butterscotch.com series on speeding up torrent downloads. In this segment, we're going to look at speeding up your torrent downloads by updating your torrent tracker list. So, in the search engine of your choice, put in torrent tracker list text. You do a search, and you see you get quite an extensive list. It goes on for pages of different tracker lists. The trackers are the servers that coordinate the downloads and the users of torrents. So we'll click on one at random. Here's one that uses BitTorrent. So we'll double click on that. Click here. It opens up our torrent. We're going to save it to the desktop. You see here, it's downloading. And it's done. Now, we can close these, and just to show you, essentially a text file that has updated lists of tracker sites. Now, in your BitTorrent client, in this case, uTorrent, if you highlight any torrent, right-click and go to Properties, you'll see trackers. They're separated tiers with an empty line. You can add new things to this list. So in this way, you can update your tracker lists and hopefully get increased speed. Keep in mind this is a multiple part series, and be sure to watch all the parts. Hey, this is Doc. If you're looking for a cheap and easy way to put your own content on the web, go get domain names from hover.com. Just visit hover.com/butterscotch and you'll get 10% off and support shows like these. Thanks.